guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I am going to be showing you guys how to achieve this soft glam. So if you guys want to see how I achieve that, please be sure to keep watching. And since this is not an eyebrow routine, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrow off camera, so be right back. Okay, so the eyebrows are done. Now I'm just going to go in with my foundation. I'm gonna be using the NYX in the shade medium beige. I knew it. I am just going to apply my foundation with a foundation brush. I'm only going to focus it in the areas where I will not be applying any concealer. So I'm not going to really focus on my inner eye hair. I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender and just pat that through. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan to conceal underneath my eyes. Just gonna get a really small line down the middle of my nose. Hair, and I'm going to apply some to my forehead as well. I'm just going to blend that all out. I'm going to use my beauty blender and squeeze it like this and just pat it out. Underneath my eyes, I'm going to start with the edges and then go into the middle. Okay, once I blend that in, I'm just going to go in with my lighter concealer. I have this Dreamy Brightening Creamy Concealer in the shade Fair, and I am just going to conceal underneath my eyes like so. I'm going to do the same thing. Squeeze the beauty blender and blend the edges out. Then we move to the top. Once everything is blended and smooth, we're just going to set this with the Juvia's Place Setting Powder. And I'm just going to set that in place. And we're just going to pat and blend the setting powder out one time. We're not going to bake or anything. Now I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the other eye. Okay, once my under eyes are set, I go in with my darker shades to start contouring. So I'm just going to use this CoverGirl True Blend palette, contour palette. Just gonna go back in with my beauty blender from the lighter shades and blend the edges out so it's not as harsh. So to create the illusion I have a small forehead, I'm just going to go in with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. And I'm just gonna drag this all the way down to create the illusion of a smaller forehead. So, and I'm just gonna blend that out. Now I'm just gonna go back in with some concealer. And we're just gonna blend that out as well. Now I am going to contour the nose. I'm just gonna lightly pat on the center here. And I'm just gonna go in with some dark. If you guys want a detailed video on how I contour my nose, you can check out this video right here. Check the card. I'll also leave the link in the description box, and I'll have this pop up as a suggestion at the end of this video. I like to highlight my Cupid's bow. Just gonna set my face, my forehead a little. Now I'm going to go in with some highlight. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in and line my lips. Now I am just going to apply some lashes. Now I'm just going to set my face, and I'm going to go in with my mascara for my bottom lash. And guys, there you have it. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so y'all stay notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.